and welcome to AIQrArt 101. And in today's episode we are going to be discussing how you sign up to the website and then log in and what you can do with your profile. So to start with, you would have to choose an email you would like to use to sign up with. We are going to use this for the video purpose, and then you select a password and you agree to the terms and conditions, and then you press sign up. This will then send an email to your account. You then have to go to your email address. You would have to use this, click the email, and then once you are on the email you will have the option to activate now. You click this button and it brings you here, and then you activate the account. Once the account is successfully activated, you will get a notification to let you know, and then you can press login. You can enter the email and the password you selected, and then you are logged into the website. It will give you the option to save your details. Here you can then create your QRCode. You press get started and you can then create anything you would like. So if you click on your little profile picture, it will give you the option to either view the activated license, or it will bring you to this page, and this will then show you everything about your account. It gives you a summary which will show you the amount of credits you have used in the month and the remaining credits you have left for the month. So as you can see, we have 3 credits remaining, as this is a free account which only allows you to have 3 credits each month. It also shows you the duration of the account left, and you have the option to renew it whenever you like. Here is the history of your account, so if you have ever made a QR code, it will show up here. This will also be where your saved QR codes will show if you ever design one that you fall in love with. So you will find it here once you have saved it. And that is everything for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.